Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Hey, if you know other people who aren't familiar with my free classes, please let them know about it. Share it if you're able. Also, make sure that you're subscribed because I'm trying really hard to get to 70,000 subscribers. Also, check out links down below if you're in the market to buy something. Okay, let's get started. You can see in the left-hand side of my screen, Mary Beth asked, I'm trying to use Stitch Artist 1 to make run stitches and use fills. I would like to fill in the area between the sheep and the square with a motif or a stipple or something, and also have a run stitch around the square. How do I do this? Hey, Mary Beth, it's pretty easy peasy once you try it. So I'm going to open up a new window coming right up here, or a new page like that. Also brought in an applique heart to simulate Mary Beth's sheep, her applique sheep. So the first thing she needs to do is just draw a square. So come up here, turn on create mode, and come over here to where the rectangle or the square is. If you don't see it, use the flyout menu. If I hold down my shift key, I'll get a perfect square around this heart. Let go. Now, if you notice over here in the objects panel, it's a line. It's not stitches. I want to make it stitches, so I'm going to come up here and click on the Run tab. Okay, so what we have over here in the design or the objects panel is the applique heart and the square that goes around it as a run stitch. Duplicate this because we're going to come up here to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. Okay, there we go. So now we have another design. This first one, we're not going to have it as a run. We're going to have it as a stipple. She said maybe she'd like a stipple or a motif. I'll do a stipple. So make sure you're in create mode and then look down here in this lower bunch of icons. And this one right here says stippled area. So since I have that square selected, it's going to stipple the whole square. Just like that. All right, so if we come up here to the Stitch Simulator and watch this work, it's going to do the heart applique first, and then it's going to stipple all over top of it. Well, that's certainly not what we want. So what I need to do is come over to the Objects panel, right-click on this and say Move Later. So notice what's going to happen first now. The stipple, then the applique heart, and then the third run. So let's look at that in the Stitch Simulator. So here's the stipple. And then the heart applique, and then the final run around the outside edge. So I'm pretty sure that's what she wants. There are many ways to change the stipple design. You can experiment with that. I did look up here, and just letting this is the easiest way to do it, I think, for you for right now, is to come up here. If you have the density map, I can see that that's not going to cause a problem having this little bit of stippling underneath of my applique. Okay, so anyways, I hope that's what you wanted, Mary Beth. If it's not, let me know, but this may be helpful. Thanks so much for joining me. Hey, y'all, if you like my videos, please make sure that you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 70,000 subscribers. Also, share this with other people. There are so many people that don't even know that I make free videos for y'all. So, again, thanks so much for joining me. Bye for now.